I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you into a monster. Me and you, we can rule the world, 'cause no one's gonna mess with me, I'm a monster. I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you into a monster. Me and you, we can rule the world, 'cause no one's gonna fuck with me, I'm a monster. I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you into a monster. Me and you, we can rule the world, 'cause no one's gonna mess with me, I'm a monster. I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you into a monster. Me and you, we can rule the world, 'cause no one's gonna fuck with me, I'm a monster. Monster!
Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Saw a chick walking with a big behind. Now I'm stalking my victim eye. Unrecognizable 'cause I'm in disguise. Into eyes and turned for green. Crept up behind, she turned and screamed. Everybody turned to see. I tried to run, tripped up, hurt my knee. I can't believe she got away. Think of all the love that we could have made. Jay, I really did mess it up. I ruined my only chance with the sugar bait. Now my beat kicks off. Back to the flat hat and kicks off. To relax in a glass of milk. Apparently Pixie drinks lots.
I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you